In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse as a guest on TikTok. Sometimes you might want to explore TikTok without logging in, creating an account, or having your activity tied to your profile. Maybe you're just checking it out for the first time, or you want to keep your recommendations and history separate. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through a simple way to browse TikTok more privately using your browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, choose New Incognito Window. This opens a special private browsing window. In this mode, Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data once you close the window. It's a good starting point if you want to keep this TikTok session separate from your usual browsing. With the new incognito window open, move your cursor to the address bar at the very top of the browser. Click once to make sure it's active, then type in tiktok.com. You don't need to type anything else, just the website name. Once you've typed it in, press the enter key on your keyboard. Chrome will now load the TikTok website. On the results or directly in the address bar, make sure you're going to the official TikTok site. It should simply be the main homepage where you can see popular videos and a feed of content, even if you're not logged in. If you see a page that asks you to sign up or log in, look for a small option to continue browsing without logging in, or simply scroll down. On most browsers, TikTok will allow you to view a lot of content without an account. You can scroll through the feed, watch videos, and explore trending content as a guest. Now that you're on TikTok, in an incognito window, you can scroll, search for videos, and click on profiles to see public content, all without being signed in. Your activity in this session won't be saved to a TikTok account because you're not logged into one, and once you close the incognito window, Chrome clears the browsing data from the session. Keep in mind, this doesn't make you completely invisible on the internet, but it does mean TikTok won't link what you're watching to a logged-in profile on that device. When you're done, just close the incognito window and that's it. You've browsed TikTok as a guest.